Many of us think we know the British Isles. We don't know the half of it. Over 6,000 isles make up this stunning country of contrasts. Let us welcome you aboard our British Isles Discovery Cruise as we head north to the nation's prettiest ports, the whitest beaches, breathtaking highland scenery and romantic castles. Sheltered harbours, flagstone streets and a pace of life you thought was lost forever are yours to explore and experience in the Scottish Isles. Soon we're cruising south to the old world charm of the Channel Islands and the pale sand coves, azure seas and wonderful wildlife of the Isles of Scilly. All this in one nation, in one cruise. We've got someone we'd like you to meet. This is Columbus, the newest member of our family. Fully equipped with 7 lounges and bars, 2 pools, an impressive selection of dining options, 6 entertainment venues, including the 3-decked central atrium. In fact, everything you need to thoroughly spoil yourself. So come and meet Columbus. We think you'll get on very well.